I finally built the job search template I wish I'd had when I was applying for jobs. And honestly, I'll probably end up using it myself for finding freelance opportunities too. I've spent weeks refining this planner, tweaking the workflows, and making sure everything works together seamlessly. So if that sounds interesting, make sure to subscribe. Now, this template is made for people who are constantly sending applications and slowly losing track of everything. And let's be honest, we've all been there. You apply to dozens of positions, a few days or weeks go by, and then suddenly your phone rings. Hi, we're calling regarding your application. And you're sitting there thinking, wait, which company, which role? Oh my God, yeah. Not exactly the best feeling. That's exactly the problem this planner is designed to solve. So let me show you how it works, how everything is connected, and how it can make your job search way more organized, efficient, and honestly, a lot less stressful. All right, let's jump in. Using the planner is honestly super simple, and it makes managing your job search so much easier. Let's start by adding a new application from the inbox. Just click the dedicated button and a new page will appear. First, give your application a name and assign a rating from 1 to 5 stars. I added this so you can quickly identify your favorite opportunities or the positions you consider most important. The applied date is filled in automatically with today's date. As for the deadline, that's completely up to you. If you have personal targets or application goals, add 1. If not, you can simply leave it blank. Next, select a company from your existing list. If the company doesn't exist yet, just type its name and create it directly from here. And this is where things get really cool. By opening the company page, you can store all kinds of useful information for your job search strategy. You can also link contacts to that company, either from your existing database or by creating new ones on the spot. Honestly, my favorite thing about this planner is that everything is interconnected. Companies, contacts, applications, interviews, everything talks to each other automatically. Back on the application page, select the job type and add any relevant tags. Once your application is ready, simply change the status from inbox to applied. The page will automatically move into the appropriate views, and all the statistics and notifications at the top of the dashboard will update instantly. And trust me, once you're managing dozens of applications, that's a huge game changer. Having everything organized automatically saves so much time. Now, if you open the application page, you'll also find a built-in questionnaire designed to help you refine your application strategy. I use it all the time to better prepare my applications and stay consistent. And hopefully, when that interview invitation arrives, and I genuinely hope it does, simply update the status and add the interview date. One thing I absolutely love about Notion is that you can add a reminder directly to the interview date. Notion will then send you a notification automatically. So yeah, no more excuses for missing an interview. Now let's take a look at the companies page. This is where you'll find all the companies you've added, including the ones linked to your job applications. And of course, you can link multiple applications to the same company. What's really nice is that every application connected to a company appears directly inside its page, so you always have the full context in one place. The same idea applies to the network and contacts page. Here, you can keep track of your professional network, which is honestly incredibly useful during a job search. Each contact can be linked to an event, although that's completely optional. It just helps keep everything organized. Speaking of events, adding one is super simple. Click New from the inbox section. The date is automatically set to today, but you can change it whenever you want. Then assign a priority level, link a contact if needed, choose a category, and add tags for easier organization. Once everything is ready, check the box and the event will move from the inbox to the regular views. Depending on the date, it'll automatically appear in the daily, weekly, or monthly views. And depending on its status, it'll show up in either your upcoming or completed events sections. Honestly, everything is organized automatically, which makes it really easy to stay on top of things. At the bottom, you'll also find a monthly calendar view. And if you have an unscheduled event, just drag and drop it from the unscheduled section onto the date you want. This page is perfect for organizing networking meetups, job fairs, coffee chats, career events, or really any professional event related to your job search. You can also add notes and ideas in just a few clicks. The same goes for the digital resume and career plan sections, which are both very quick to set up. Overall, this planner gives you pretty much everything you need to organize your job search and take your career to the next level. If you'd like to learn more, you'll find the template link in the description. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.